Feeling lost is something that happens on the journey to learning who we are. Insight Behavioral Health Centers has successfully helped thousands of patients struggling with mental health disorders discover the life they want and stay the course living it. Prior to partnering with Eating Recovery Center in 2013, Insight Behavioral Health Centers provided treatment for both eating disorders and mood and anxiety disorders. To better reflect who we are now and our unique treatment approach, we've changed our name. Moving forward, Pathlight Mood and Anxiety Center will provide treatment for patients struggling with a primary mood, anxiety, or trauma-related disorder, and Eating Recovery Center will continue to serve patients struggling with an eating disorder. At Pathlight, we lead and light the way with compassion, putting our patients in the driver's seat of their true self. We're here to illuminate their unique path forward, out of the dark into life. Our award-winning industry leaders and some of the foremost experts in behavioral health offer specialized, innovative treatment at all levels of care.
Our approach is rooted in evidence-based treatment that provides for our patients and their families the skills and insight needed to rebuild resiliency and to transform their lives.
Because once you gain the knowledge, it can never be taken away from you. Let's unlock its power together. Schedule a free care consultation and same-day assessment with one of our expert, caring, master's-level clinicians today. Call 877-825-8584 or visit us online at pathlightbh.com.